video is a review of my Chanel wallet on chain. Here I have the version in a black caviar leather along with gold hardware. I purchased this in February 2017 at the Chanel boutique in Wynn, Las Vegas, and the retail price at the time was $2,200. So let's first go over the interior and different components of this purse. So as you can see, here's this gold Chanel logo, which is also the snap closure right here. In total, there are 2 zippers on this bag. There's a zipper pocket in the front, right here. And there's also a large zipper envelope pocket in the back. This pocket extends all the way through the back of the bag. So if you have a long piece of paper or an envelope that spans from here to here, you could actually stick it in there, or even checks or whatever. So any pieces of paper, it's great for that. So if you were taking this out, there are 6 cardholder spots. So obviously I would put my ID, credit card, and a few other loyalty cards in the back. So yeah, this is what the inside looks like. So right here we have a gold embossing with Chanel, and there's the logo right there. And also on the inside right here, there's another gold embossing which says Made in Italy. The back also has a stitched pocket right here, which is pretty tight, doesn't hold too much. This bag can either have a really slim profile, like when I purchased it, for example, it was very slim. It was kind of like this, but depending on how much you put in this bag, it can kind of stand up and kind of look like a Chanel mini flat bag. One feature I really love about this bag is its versatility. You can wear the straps multiple ways. So you could either wear the bag crossbody like such. For reference, I'm 5'4", so this is where the bag hits on me. You can also wear it across one shoulder like you would a normal shoulder bag, but in my opinion it's a little bit too long for that. So now you can actually double up the straps to shorten it, so it's kind of like their Chanel flat bags. Just tuck a strap in here. So yeah, you can have a dual strap bag like this. This is what it'll look like. Or if you want it a little bit longer, you can do the mid-length option like this. And you'll kind of have the strap on top like this for a little design feature, and the bag will hit about here. So this bag can actually hold quite a bit, more than one may think, so I'm going to demonstrate right here. So first I have my iPhone 7 Plus, which easily fits in the bag. Right here. I can also fit some lip balm. I can fit my keys. So yeah, I'd say this definitely holds the essentials. So you can see now it kind of more resembles a Chanel flat bag. So this is actually the second caviar leather piece that I've purchased from Chanel. The first piece is this tote bag. This is the Chanel medallion tote with the gold hardware. And this one I purchased in Japan, in Osaka actually. This is a vintage piece, and as you can see, the caviar leather is in perfect condition despite its age. And yeah, there's no scratches on it. It's really maintained its color. And aside from the style, you wouldn't even be able to tell that this is an older piece. So that's why I really love caviar leather. And also for comparison purposes, I have here a Chanel large perfect edge flat bag. This is in calf leather, which obviously is more prone to scratches, so I want to be really careful with this, but it's not as delicate as lambskin, so it's a lot more wearable than lambskin. So here I have the brushed brass hardware, and this is what the bag looks like. This kind of has the mid-length strap option. So if you want to compare it to this wallet on chain in terms of the mid-length strap, this is where they both rest. So yeah, quite similar if you want that look. Size-wise, it's a huge difference, large size bag versus a wallet on chain. But as you can see, you can kind of get a similar look for less. This bag also has the functionality of being carried as a top handle, which I don't do too often just because I don't want to put extra strain on the leather pieces right here. Hey! So here's Stella. Stella is currently 8.5 months old, and she just woke up from her nap, so I had to pause my video for a second. But yeah, here is Stella. She's just probably going to crawl around on the floor as I continue filming this. Huh? What do you think? Do you want to be part of the video?